Hey guys, Sid from Sid's Trains here, and today I'm going to be showing you some pictures and videos from a little get-together I had recently. My buddy Chris from RBP Trains said that he needed some work done to an engine of his, and being that he lives close to me, I decided how about I drive up to his place so I can meet him again, pick up the train, and of course see his layout and his collection. And one evening I drove up to his place. Of course, I picked the engine up, but we hung out for a little, talked about trains, and of course ran some trains. And I took some videos and pictures of his layout. He has an amazing setup. The bench work is fantastic. All of his scenery is amazing, and I love the way the trains run around his layout. It's like this bent dog bone shape. He has two main lines and then two upper levels that are independently controlled via the transformers. The two main lines are usually where he runs his big stuff, and then the upper loops he runs some conventional trains usually. He had a post-war set of F3s on the upper loop and a little Amtrak train on the other. Really nice setup. His scenery is amazing. Lots of great angles for pictures and videos. I love his ballasting. It's like this great mix of a gray color and an ash with a mixed in black coloring. And of course, his trains. His trains are amazing. I got to run his Vision Line Big Boy. I'd never played with a Vision Line Big Boy before, so that was just awesome. I really enjoyed the whistle on it. I have a Union Pacific FEF that has a similar whistle, but the Big Boy is just so much louder because it has the extra speaker. And of course, it has more features. It has the depleting colo, the blowdown, the whistle steam, the stack steam that puff independently of each other. So it was just awesome. And I also ran his Allegheny and some of his other trains. Overall, just had a lot of fun. I got to talk with Chris as always. Chris is an awesome guy. If you haven't already, go check out his channel. He has some amazing content and is growing rapidly. So go hit that subscribe button and give him some support. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. As always, like, subscribe, and click the bell for notifications. Comment below and tell others about the channel. I'm Sid, and I'll see you next time, guys. Let's go check out these clips and videos of Chris's layout.